Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is Weirdo or Ian is Weird. I'm gonna post on both channels. So a lot of you know that I do TikTok and Instagram as well as YouTube. Short form videos have been a lot more attainable for me especially with like my mental health being so not great right now. Um, what I've been doing primarily on TikTok, especially, has been talking about my mental health journey, giving some information about certain mental health things. So it's like mostly mental health there right now, but I have posted other things. I post stupid, silly things. I'm not used to wearing earrings, but I wanted to give a little androgyny today. So I did it by wearing one earring, and that's the only change I made. But I was just wondering, and especially like with this potential TikTok ban and things like that. But what kind of things would you all like to see? Because I don't, I reach some people with my mental health content, but generally those are only the people who kind of have their feed set up to be mental health focused. So do you want to see more mental health stuff? If so, what kind of stuff do you want to see? Do you want to see what I know about my diagnoses? Do you want to hear more about my personal story? I've been sharing that quite a bit. I did 2 videos, but I have a pretty crazy long story about my mental health journey. So, uh, so, um, so do you want to know more about that? Do you want to know about my experience with therapists or psychiatrists or any of that, or in different levels of treatment? Do you want to know more about uh, crochet? Uh, Either like what I'm making or how I learned to crochet or when I learned to crochet or anything like that. Do you want me to just post silly stuff? I just kind of was interested in what you all might be interested in, because I just kind of post whatever I feel like whenever I can. But I obviously want to create stuff that people would like to see as well. My TikTok and my Instagram are kind of on slightly different tones right now. On Instagram, I do talk about mental health, but it's more focused on I don't even know what my Instagram's focused on right now. It's all over the place. But yeah, what kind of stuff would you all like to see? Is there one platform that you like more than the other? That type of thing. Um, and just let me know what you want, because I aim to please. So I was just curious as to what you all might be interested in. And if you want to comment on this video and let me know what types of things you're interested in, please let me know if you want to see me trying new patterns, failing at new patterns. That's the kind of thing generally I've posted on YouTube, because it's usually like a longer form type deal. But if you want to consume it in more like bite-sized pieces, also like YouTube shorts. I haven't really done a lot of YouTube shorts lately, because I find that generally those invite the most trolls. But I'm not opposed to doing them because I don't really mind trolls that much. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing any more of that type of content, let me know. Also, let me know what type of YouTube videos you'd like to see, because those are fun to do when I have energy as well. So, I hope to see some comments and get inspired to create more things. And I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.